people who try it out?
Oh, hands down.
Yeah?
Yeah, best hair tie ever. I
Let's find
actually
out.
saw them online and ordered them because I have really thick hair.
Yeah, yeah.
So it, like the rest of the stuff stretch out too much and they don't hold. And I like these because they don't pull my hair. But even as a short hair, I can still wear them.
How long have you been using that one too? A lot of people always ask us like how long do these typically last?
How long is that one? 6 months?
Oh my gosh.
3 months, yeah.
3 months.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I think with your hair, because it is really so thick, that even just wrapping it twice is going to hold it. So
Yep.
let me see. So this one I only trimmed off one section, and it's not going to go anywhere. It probably feels a little bit looser too than you're used to.
But not bad.
You'd still take it out the same way with the short hair. I mean, sometimes you could just pull it out because it is right there. But there you go. So would you recommend other people to try it
Oh,
out? Paul?
hands down.
Yeah?
Yeah, best hair tie ever. My sister-in-law actually has thicker hair than I do, and they
Really?
hold hers.
Yeah.
Like the only one she'll wear now.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Sometimes we make them even bigger for like
Oh,
super
yeah,
thick
yeah.
hair, so it's kind of
Yeah,
fun.
it is fun.
Thanks for sharing it.
Thank
and
you.